What's up, my big chunguses? Welcome back to another video, and today, oh boy, we gotta talk about the new Spider-Verse movie that had just dropped. I believe I did a video on this a few days about how I'd review it ago. My fault. But I believe it was a very good movie, the perfect sequel in my opinion. Don't like how they shifted from a giant, strong overlord mafia boss to a universal threat across the multiverse. But that's just me. Now, let's talk about the villain, the Spot. This is everything Infinite did in Sonic Forces, but better. I literally cannot explain it any better. The TV. Over there. The Spot had a vendetta against Spider-Man, so he didn't have nothing against Miles' dad. So he actually had something against the main character. And the Spot was a lot more... How do I say this? He had a lot more emotional. Like, he literally just wants to be stronger to defeat Spider-Man. And given that he can't do that, he goes in to seek power, and the hero has to stop him from getting the said power. Infinite already has the power. Sorry, everyone, but I freaking hate you. Now, play your game. Now, the Spot, he also was a very fragile person. Mentally, most likely, if he was working for Kingpin. And basically everything Miles did ruined his life. Shadow the Hedgehog whooped Infinite, and then Infinite said, "You calling me weak?" Oh, heck no. And then Infinite basically just said, "No, I'm not weak. I'm not weak." I think Fortnite, bloody hell. I do love the new Fortnite Spider-Man thing. Love how they redid the web shooters. However, a little upset, man. A little upset. I don't like how it left us on a cliffhanger. That's my only gripe about the movie. Loving the new Penny Parker robot design. It looks like how it does in the comic now. I see what they were going for last time, make it like their own version. Maybe like upgrade it. But then just destroy it and, give it the same origin. So I think that was smart. But I definitely think, if you really think about it, the Spot is basically a 10 times better version than Infinite from Sonic Forces. It also fits pretty well given the whole Kingpin plot from the last movie. The next movie, it sounds like it's... You guys know that we're all about villains. We figured out the villains for the canceled Star Wars sequel trilogy. We figured out the villains for Spider-Man 4, 5, and 6 from the Sam Raimi trilogy. I still got to make a video on the Andrew Garfield bad guys that were going to be in the sequels. If y'all hear loud breathing, my dog is not feeling too well. I have a bad feeling he might pass soon. But he's an old dog, lived a full life, you know. If y'all would like to see a video with him, just let me know in the comments or just show a little like support. I don't know. It would do me a lot. But yeah, we've also figured out the villains for the Batman 2. And yes, as soon as I see Lego sets for any of them, I'm copping. I've been trying to figure out the plot for the canceled Guardians of Rise of the Guardians. Jack Frost, Santa Claus, all that. I still need to dig more into that, but yeah, I just feel like if y'all haven't seen this, check it out. I feel like the Spider-Verse trilogy is probably the best thing that Sony has ever even conceived of. So yeah, I'll do a video with my dog tomorrow, just for the hell of it. Why not? Big Chungus out.